In a move that's left many in the tech industry stunned, Sam Altman, co-founder of OpenAI, has made an unexpected return to its board. This surprising development comes on the heels of his ousting in late 2023, a decision that sparked a whirlwind of events, including threats of mass resignations from the OpenAI team. This level of loyalty towards a CEO is certainly unique, demonstrating the deep respect and admiration Altman has garnered within the organization. Altman's return has certainly ruffled feathers, but it's clear his influence is still strongly felt within OpenAI. Altman's return is not the only change at OpenAI. The company's board has seen a significant shakeup, hinting at a potential new direction for the organization. This seismic shift has included the replacement of most board members and even witnessed the departure of key figures like Greg Brockman, who has since found a new home at Microsoft. Intriguingly, Microsoft's CEO Satya Nadella has been vocal in the discussions around board governance and potential changes. Nadella's concerns about OpenAI's board governance have opened up a dialogue about the need for improved communication and transparency within the organization. This conversation has even alluded to the possibility of Microsoft securing a seat or observer role at OpenAI. Yet amidst this whirlwind of change, speculation still swirls around the reasons for Altman's initial ousting. Theories range from conflicts over AI safety to tensions between the non-profit and for-profit arms of OpenAI. With these changes, OpenAI seems to be at a crossroads. The future direction of the company and its impact on AI development remain to be seen. As Altman takes up his position once again, there are still many questions left unanswered. The circumstances surrounding his initial ousting are shrouded in ambiguity, sparking rumors and speculation. Was there a conflict over AI safety? Were there tensions within OpenAI's leadership? These events have propelled broader debates around AI development and safety into the spotlight. The tech industry is abuzz with discussions on ethical AI, transparency, and the role of leadership in shaping such a pioneering company. As OpenAI navigates these leadership changes, the tech world watches closely, eager to see what the future holds for this pioneering AI company.